In today's video, I'm going to teach you quick tour, how to get around Asana, 5 minutes. First, open Asana and either log in or create an account if you're new. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage. Think of this as your hub. It gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening and what needs your attention. Next, look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation hub and the fastest way to move around. At the top of that sidebar, you'll see Home. This is your personalized starting point where Asana surfaces recent work, upcoming items, and helpful shortcuts so you don't have to dig. Just below, Open My Tasks. This is your daily to-do list filtered to show what's assigned to you. You can switch between list, board, or calendar views to match how you like to work and drag items to prioritize what matters today versus later. Keep scrolling to find teams and projects. Here you can browse the teams you're part of and dive into their projects. It's a great way to see everything organized by group or initiative so you always know where to add or find work. If you come across a project or task you revisit often, star it. Starred items appear in the sidebar for quick access, saving you time. And if you want more screen space, collapse the sidebar. You can expand it again anytime, which is handy on smaller screens. Now look to the very top bar. This is where you'll find quick actions and search. The search tool helps you find tasks, projects, and people instantly. Just type a keyword and refine if needed to jump straight to what you want. Next to search is the Create or Plus button. Use this to quickly add a new task, project, or other item without leaving your current view. It's perfect for capturing ideas on the fly. Open your inbox to check notifications and updates. This is where you'll see comments, mentions, assignments, and status changes so you can stay on top of conversations without hunting through projects. In the center is the main pane. This is where your work lives. Whether you're looking at lists, boards, or calendars, you'll do most of your organizing and tracking here. Click any task to open the task details pane on the right. Here you can add descriptions, assign owners and due dates, attach files, leave comments, and create subtasks to break work down clearly. Finally, notice the breadcrumbs above a task. Use these links to jump back to the parent project or list in one click, keeping your navigation smooth and efficient. That's your quick tour. With these areas in mind, you'll move through Asana confidently and get more done with less effort.